tape down over your knees like this. You put the tape down. That way they stay nice and straight and they don't come up like this. Is your tape working today? Put your tape on. Do I need to put the tape on your legs? Should I put the tape on your legs? Put your legs out. Reach those hands up for the sky. Good, Addison. Good, Patrick. Very nice. Good, Mila. Stretch out past your toes and hold it. Good, Cameron. You're getting so big. What am I going to do? Good, Patrick. That's awesome. Stretch up for the ceiling. Good. Good, Mila. And reach past your toes. Good job, guys. And stretch up.
Hey, I'm almost touching the wall.
You're so close. You're going to be touching it before long. And toes. Good job. Good. Stretch those legs out in a V. You know the letter V? You guys are so smart. How'd you get so smart? How'd you get so smart? You got big. I see it. Tristan, let me see your split. Good. You don't have to do it so